Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD tutorials. First of all, I am very much thankful to the subscribers, and if you not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. From today onwards, weekly twice I will upload the videos regarding the part modeling, assembly and as well as drawings, and if possible I will involve the analysis also. So how to model the solid components? It may be machining components or sheet metal or a plastic or a casted, or the industrial components or consumer goods like product design. We will take care in the further videos. Now we will move on to model this simple model by using a SolidWorks. So let us move to the SolidWorks. So once we move to the SolidWorks, so just Control N you can take, otherwise you go and select here. So then say OK. So once you enter to the graphic window, just check which units you are in. So here you please take mmgs. Usually we are using this one. You can use any one of these. Suppose if you are using any building constructions, that times usually they will use meters or something. Which model, the precision what you want, you can use as per that, and unit systems what you are using in your industry you can use. And you can, these are all the basic three planes. So what you can do, select any one of the plane. As per my drawing model, I am taking the front view, front plane, and I am drawing a sketch, and in this one I am taking as a corner rectangle. So I am placing the first point at the origin, and this I am taking this. So all dimensions are just imagination. So 50 this one, and this will be, suppose this time if you want to double or if you want to put any equation, you put this and put, and you can say into how much you want, 2 times I want. So length to height, so proportion I can give here. So this one I will explain you later in the later videos. So please go and extrude. Usually when ribs are coming and when symmetric models are there, we will use the mid plane, and as I told here I want to give. So what I will do, equal to, I am giving the equation which is equal to this one. I will say OK. So so if I change any dimension 25, so automatically the entire model will update. So this is 25, this is 50, this is 25. So now the required dimensions is 50. So I am just going to 50, and I will just say Control B is update. Otherwise you can use this update symbol, rebuild symbol. So after this, so what we have to do, we have to provide a fillet here and here. Okay. So usually these fillets will be done in the final stages, because once we have done the fillet and everything, we can't take a reference, so we will use that one. So select this face and just say insert sketch, draw this one. So as I told earlier, this is just an imagination. So what I will do, I will use the, if you want to use the basic sketch as a basic dimension as one of the, this one, you can use this one. So okay, sorry. So here insert sketch. So what you have to do, you have to click in a single. Okay, you select this and you just equal to, say equal to, then you click this. So sorry. So what you can do, insert sketch. So double click on the model. So double click here, then equal to, just say divided by divided by 2. So then it will take that equation as 25. So if you want one time, suppose if I want one time, just remove this one, so and say okay, then it will update to 50. So this is how you can do. Suppose from here to here you want to give some dimension, so here to here, so how much you want to give, equal to, so you can use this one only, divided by 2. So this is a very simple way to give the relation when you are having want proper updates. I am taking a very coarse type of dimensions. You can take in a how much you required also. You will get that one. So next, moving to this, go to here, extrude cut. This will be used for removing the material. So just say okay, the material has been removed, and here you can remove the entire material. Otherwise what you can do, so the length is this one, width is 50 mm. So what I will do, so after this, if you double click, it is taking 50. So what I will do, I will take 20, okay, control B. So what I will do, I will select the front plane. So you can just go to mirror and then also you can take, no issue. Say mirror, as I am already selected plane. If not it's selected, you can select the front plane and mirroring feature. Which feature you want to mirror? I want to mirror this feature. Say okay. So this has been done. So now you can give the chamfer to here, enter, and if you want to give this one as a chamfer, you can give like this also. Why you can use chamfer also means there is you can control the length, like distance by distance. So suppose from top to here, approximately if it is having some 10, how much it is having, it is having some 37.5, and here some 50. So 37.5 by 50 I can directly give here, because every time we can't provide the ribs. So I am just giving a alternative idea. So where possible you can do, here it is possible, even though you remove the material you can do, but I am retaining when in the machining process you can this is the how you will do. So you can't remove the entire material and you can't add the material. Once we remove the material in a conventional method, it is difficult. After that you have to weld a piece here and you can do. So what I will do, a distance I will take, and here I will say asymmetric. So here I will say 37.5, okay, 37.5 mm, okay. So and here it is 50, so it will match here. So this is done. So after this, suppose the fillet what we have to give, here we have to give like this. So here it is taking some symmetric, as you please select as 25. So say okay. So this has been done. So after this, select, and obviously you will get a center. Once you move, select the circle and move to arc, you will get the center, and this center also will be here. So select this one, give the dimension. Here also if you want to give some relation, so please select equal and you double click on the model, and all dimensions will be active. Suppose if you want this, so this dimension is active, I want to take this as a hole diameter 12.5. I will say okay. So then I will say file, cut, so through all, and it will be okay. So you may think why this person is doing all these things, but I am very much interested to explain something different. But if you are happy with my approach, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will come up with new ideas and new models, but I don't want to show you. There are thousands of models in YouTube, which with a lot of models, but they are not explaining the manufacturing methods. If possible, my thinking in such a way, I want to explain you in a better way. Please write down your comments on which topic you want and which model you are very much interested, which industry you are working, what are the problems you are facing. I will honestly try to resolve your problems. Thanks for watching and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, bye.